Okay, a few years back, my boy was about 12 years old. He started his own landscape business, and he was making good money for a kid that old. And he got the idea he wanted to have a Jeep so he could do driveways, a Jeep with a blade on it. And we checked around. Most of them were beaten to scrap, but we did find one. We towed it home with a tractor, got it rolling, got a blade on it, and he did driveways. And I wrote a book about what he did for kids. And we would take the book and the Jeep out to the York Jeep Show, Albury's Jeep Show in the summertime. And we'd sell the book, and people could look at the Jeep, and little kids would get in it. It was unrestored. It was kind of covered with dust and stuff like a Jeep would be in a barn. And kids would get their picture taken in it and stuff. And along with the book and the Jeep, we showed a collection of Jeep buckles and tie clips and things that I had found over the years. And there are hundreds of Jeep buckles you can get. We have a small collection that we enjoy. And here are some of the ones we found over the years. There's all kinds, styles. Some of them more substantial than others. I always liked this one. It was kind of interesting looking. Captures the heft of a Jeep. Along with other things, I found a Jeep pen, of all things. Kind of wanted to see the writing on it, but that's what that is. Jeep pen. And over the years, we found a couple of Jeep pocket knives. They're around. You find them on eBay, you find them on Facebook, flea markets, sometimes you see them. They're interesting. They're not real old, but they're interesting. And then there's a series of Jeep tie clips that are interesting. This one's a nice, hefty one. This one's a cab over engine, which is kind of unique. Yeah, there you can see it better. And of course you have to have CJ5. Nicely done in a tie clip. And then there's a whole bunch of Jeep fobs, key fobs, various kinds. I like them. They're with a leather strap. That's the kind I usually try to get, is a leather. Some of these are back in the 50s. I always like this one. Nice hefty one. That's a nice solid one. And this is newer here, probably 90s maybe. This is a Willys with their logo on it. And CJ5. And this one I picked up somewhere. CJ5. But anyway, those are the kinds of things. This one here is a rather cheapy. You know, you sometimes see them. I think I got that in a junkyard. But anything you can find, you can collect. But keep your eyes open, and that's what you can come across.